Hello, happy Monday. I hope you've had a really lovely weekend. It's been a bit chilly and really windy yesterday. I went for a walk with my mum along the River Weaver, and we had her dog Alfie and my friend's dog Leah with us, and they chased all the way along, and we kind of got blown all the way along. So I hope you guys didn't get blown away as well. And I hope that you are ready to learn, ready to do exciting stuff in school, ready to be absolutely amazing for your teachers. Now, we're going to keep thinking about our mission statement again. Together we learn, grow and dream. And if you're really lucky, then you've got our cool writing on the wall somewhere in your classroom. If you haven't got that yet, then it'll be happening at some point later on today. So somewhere in your classroom, you will see the words on the wall in blue writing: together we learn, grow and dream. And it's about learning. Today's assembly is all about learning because it's mega important. But you might look at it and think, I can't learn. I can't do that. It's just dead hard. It's just really difficult. And I can't do it. But all the people that we've talked about in our books, in our stories recently, have had a positive mindset. They've said, yeah, I can do this. It might be difficult, but I can do it. So how do you get that positive mindset? How do you feel? I can do this, or I can get better at this. People tell me, I'm not very good at maths, or I'm not very good at singing. That's nonsense. You are all amazing. You are all absolutely brilliant. And I'll tell you how I know that is because I have seen you learning, and I have spoken to your teachers about all of you, and I have seen what you did when you were in reception, and I have seen what you can do now. So never mind what the person sitting next to you can do. It's not about the person sitting next to you. It's about how much you have learned and how much you've improved. And learning and improving and getting better at stuff is always amazing. It's always a brilliant thing. So there is a short cartoon for you to watch. It's, I think, about 6 minutes long. And I've sent it as a link to your teachers. So what I'm going to ask you teachers to do now is pause this video and then open the link to the BBC website that I've sent them as an email and to play you the video clip. Okay? And watch that and have a think about how the two different people in the story feel. Okay? Watch that video. Enjoy it. Right. So by now, you've watched the video. I hope you enjoyed it. So we've got Misha and Lucas in the maths lesson. So Misha's happy to take on the challenges set by the teacher, but Lucas is a bit reluctant. Misha has a growth mindset. She believes that intelligence and talent and ability can change, that you can get better at something if you work at it. So she believes she can get better at maths. And this means that she tries, she puts in effort and works hard. And as a result, she masters the learning. Lucas has got a fixed mindset. He doesn't think he can get any better at maths. He thinks you're either good at maths or you're not. And he is definitely not good at maths. He thinks. And Lucas and Misha made different decisions about their learning because of their different mindsets. And as time goes on, Misha and Lucas talk. Misha explains that you can change your mindset, and she encourages Lucas to do this. And gradually, Lucas starts to think in a different way. He starts to think that he can do maths, that he can get better. And as he changes his mindset, he changes his behavior. He starts to have a go, to keep trying and to persist. And we see him improve his math skills as a result. And Misha and Lucas demonstrate the differences between a growth mindset and a fixed mindset. They show how each one influences your thoughts, actions, and behaviors. And they show that anyone can develop a growth mindset, no matter who you are. So if you think that you can learn, if you think that you can grow, then you can. You absolutely can. You might not be able to draw a bike and make it look exactly like a bike, but that's the first time you've done it. And then the second time you draw a bike, it will be a little bit better than the first. And then the third time you draw a bike, it will be even better. Because if you keep doing something again and again and again, and you say, yeah, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, then you absolutely can do it. So when we look at all of these different qualities that we want for you guys, it's about being open-minded here, just above the word enthusiastic. It's about saying, yes, I can do this. I am open to the idea that I can get better at maths. And if you are like that, then you can be resilient. You can be optimistic, because you can say, yeah, this is how good I am at maths now, but actually by the end of this lesson, if I listen to Mrs. Bates, then I will be this good at maths. And that will help you to be self-confident, because you will look at yourself and say, actually, do you know what? I can do this. I can be this good learner, this good mathematician, this good artist, or this good sports person. So in the next assembly, we're going to have a read of a story. Okay. We're going to have a read of a story about somebody who has overcome difficulties. And we're going to use one of the little people, great minds, small people. I can never remember the words. But we're going to have a think about somebody who has overcome a difficulty. Okay. Because they didn't say, I can't. They said, I can. And that's the key thing. So for you today, if you are in Squirrel's class, Mrs. Blades will give you some hard work to do. And you'll sit there and you'll go, yeah, I can do this. I'll be amazing. I was talking to some people in woodpeckers. Not woodpeckers, but it was badgers. And I was talking to people in spiders who said the same thing. And I was asking about how hard their work was. And they said, we like hard work. That's really, really good. That's really good. Your teachers know how to set the work at the right level for you. I bet you any money, if you're in Oak's class, Mrs. Murphy-Simkis will be giving you something really difficult to do, and you'll sit there and go, oh, do you know what, she's dead hard. And you'll look at it afterwards and go, wow, I did that. I was talking to children in Dragonfly's class on Friday and said, have you enjoyed learning about space? And they went, yeah, it's great. And it's not been easy, because they had to write active voice or passive voice. They had to use relative clauses. They had to use fronted adverbials, all of these different language features. And they really, really worked hard at it. And they enjoyed it. And actually, because of it, they could see what good writers they'd become. So you get to feel good about yourself. If you do this, if you do something that's tricky, if you push yourself, you actually feel good about yourself as well. So I want you to come and tell me at some point this week that you've done something really difficult and that you've had a positive mindset, a growth mindset, where you tried and you managed to do it. See if you can do that. Okay, have a lovely, lovely day, guys. I will see you around school. Bye-bye.